GGS, hello. Time check is what? 10:57. 10:57 p.m. Gawad ka, open membranti ka, bro.
Kiki's calling you.
Bye lang. I'm always showing. I'm doing good. There's no school tomorrow, that's why it's okay. No school. Wait lang, guys. What time is Filipino? Time check here in the Philippines is 10:58 p.m. And Monday, September 9. September 9 na, guys. Hello, Indonesia live. Hi there in Indonesia. Labanan mo ang antok. Lalabanan natin yung antok. Kung hindi na kaya matulog. Diba? We need to fight ano ba yung tawag itong inantok? Sleeplessness, ha? Sleeplessness. Ano ba yung antok? Sleepy. Chance, come here. Hello. You're here again. My baby is already big. My baby cat is already big. We can't sleep tonight together. We can't sleep tonight. Yeah, we can't sleep together. We can't. Oh, cute cat. This is Chance. His name is May pa ang tao mo. Naduduling na ako. I'll be there with you.
Yan, papel na kailangan.
Ba? I love, my love. This is my love. I wanna be that cat. Makuta. Laban natin ang antok kasi dito pa. Naming nabigay nito. He's so... Ano ba yung malambing? What is malambing in English? Kind? I have 2 cats. Oh, what is the name of your cats? I have 2 cats also. This is Chance. And the other one is Lucky. They are both boy.
Limot mo yun.
Sleep. He's already 5 months. He's like, look, 5 months, but it look like big. 5 months. Labanan yung antok para ano. Minsan lang tayo mag-live ng gabi. Minsan ako mag-live ng gabi. Lagi ko nag-live saglit lang. Minsan, more on ang tawag doon? More on silent live. So, iwanan yun.